Dear visitors, welcome back to 5 Minute School. In the discussion of speaking of Bengali language, we have learned Swarborno and Banjan Borno. Now we will learn the short form of Banjan Borno and it's called Folla. In the last video, we have learned the short form of Swarborno. It's called car. Let's get started. Banjan Borno has 6 follows. Now we will look and pronounce one by one. This is Jafala. This will be seen when we use it to create new words. Babohar. This is Buffalo. This will be seen when we use it to create new words. Bombay. This is Mofola. This will be seen when we use it to create new word. Jonmo. This is Rofola. This will be seen when we use it to create new word. Roth. This is Lafola. This will be seen when we use it to create new words. Mlan. This is Nafola. This will be seen when we use it to create new words. Anno. And that's it all. I will end today's discussion here, but the link of the previous discussion is in the description, and if you want it to show on the I button, you can also watch it on end screen and be the first to get notification by subscribing to the channel. Oh yes, don't forget to share and comment. Goodbye. Seeing in the new video. Thanks.